How to use 奇门遁甲 to make your life better? So there are two things in 奇门遁甲 you can use to make your life better. So the first one is I use it as a compass. So that means it gives us a certain direction of what to do, how to do, and then how to solve the problem. So every time this thing called the divination comes in, whereby when I ask a certain question, if I am not very certain about certain things because I have my doubts or I'm not sure, then I will use the 奇门遁甲 to do a charting, and then from there, this chart will give me a certain information. And from this information, I can decipher what are the hidden information behind, and from there, I derive a strategies on how to make things better. So it become a compass in my life, and a lot of my students are using that as a compass for their life, so that they can make a better decision in this aspect. Second way of using 奇门遁甲 is you can use this to identify a person's character, whether they are genuine, they are real, or even they are fake person. Sometimes we can also base on this destiny reading to see whether this person is reliable or not, whether this person, most of the time, are they genuine, most of the time, are they real. This can be seen under their destiny. But of course, it can do more than that. Destiny reading can see a person's life, person's trend, person's luck, what is likely going to happen next year, next month, etc., etc. So end of the day is, as long as we're able to base on the specific information in the big picture to tell us what is the danger zone out there, and then from there we're able to identify it and move towards something that is more positive and avoid those which are in danger zone. And from there, our life will become much more better and much more progressive and will become more positive. Life is all about avoiding the negativeness, avoiding the pitfall, avoiding the potential trend that is going to go down or even reduce. We can reduce the negative trend. We can reduce the downward trend so much so that we can make things even better. And we can get prepared for it when things are going to be worse. And when the trend is going up, we can ride on it and amplify the whole situation. You see, so this is how I actually use this 奇门遁甲 to change my life, to make it better, and even to improve other people in their life, for my students, so on and so forth. So if you have not tried this 奇门遁甲 before, I will urge you and encourage you to have a try and look into it. You never know, maybe this will be something very interesting for you in the long run.